We're really screwed up because we have a profession that's really hard, and we don't use all the talent we have in the world. We don't have enough minorities. We don't have enough women, for example. Why should there be only 10% women in physics, which is, maybe it's grown to 12 or something, but it's about 10 or 12%, depending on whether you talk about full professors or students or whatever, but it's 10 to 20%. Clearly, we're losing a huge amount of talent by having a male-dominated occupation. We also, in the US, we have minorities, like the African-American minority, where we have almost none in physics. Whenever we have one, we parade them out in front, like make him president of the APS or something, but it's ridiculous. The number is 1% or less than 1%. And so if you ask, physics would be much better off, and we would do a much better job. There'd be more discoveries, would be better, and it shouldn't be a male-dominated, white male-dominated occupation. It's just crazy. Not just physics. Chemistry has the same problem. Biology's a little better off, but in general, in the hard sciences, we could do a lot better than we're doing.